Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be cleaning some items in the kitchen, so come on with me guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now what I do want to tell you, as you can see, I am using two of the pink products that I purchased at Walmart. One is the multi-purpose spray that cleans pretty well, and I absolutely love the smell. And then we have the little abrasive one that you can use to clean the countertop. You can use it to clean the stove top, and that's what we're going to be doing right now. Alright, so this video today is part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation. This is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now remember, this is an open invitation collaboration, which means anybody can join. You can clean any area of your house and just upload the video, use the hashtag deepclean24, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Remember, as in all collaborations, we use YouTube etiquette, so let's get started with cleaning the stove. Now, I've been using the pink products on my own. This is not anything that is sponsored in any kind of a way. I bought the abrasive, like I said, in order for you to scrub that stovetop. And then I used the multi-purpose spray in the microwave because that has to constantly be clean. So don't have to leave it there on very long. And like I said, I'm absolutely very impressed with the product. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Now if you see me at the sink cleaning the glass that goes in the microwave, I'm showing you a Band-Aid because I cut my finger yesterday. So I can't hold that right. And I'm not able to take that bandage off just yet. And so that's why you see me not using too much of that hand. Yes, as I'm scrubbing away, my son pops his head inside the video. I really do have to get myself a step stool. I forget to do this every time I go out. So I had to get one of my chairs and stand on it in order to reach that microwave. But it's clean. So if I had to rate this from a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it an 8. I do like it. It's not the greatest. Sometimes I do have to repeat the process, but it does do its job. So I'm going to rate it an 8. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.